Artificial intelligence or AI is one of the most powerful technologies shaping our world today. But what exactly it is and why is everyone talking about it? Simply put, AI is the science of making machines think and act like humans. It allows computers to learn, solve problems, make decisions, and even understand languages just like we do. At the heart of AI is something called machine learning, where computers learn from data instead of being manually programmed. Just like we learn from experience, machines learn from patterns. The more the data see, the smarter they become. This is why AI is everywhere. It helps doctors detect diseases easier, power self-driving cars, translate languages in real time, recommends what you should watch next, and even protects us from online threats. Another major part of AI is natural language processing, which helps computers understand and respond to human language. It's what allows virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and even services like this one to communicate with you. AI is transforming industries and factories. Robots help speed up production in agriculture. Smart systems predict crop growth. In finance, AI detects fraud. And in classrooms, AI tools personalize learning for every student. But for powerful technology brings big questions. How do we use AI responsibly? How do we protect privacy, avoid bias, and ensure fairness? These are important challenges that researchers and governments are working hard to address. One thing is certain, AI isn't just about machines, it's about helping people. When used widely, it can solve real problems, unlock creativity, and make our lives easier. Every day we open dozens of apps for chatting, shopping, learning, and even managing our money. But have you ever wondered, how are these applications actually made? Welcome to the world of app development.